So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can connect to UK VPN server completely for free. So you can see I'm on my Android phone, and to connect UK VPN server, you have to download an app. It's called Turbo VPN. You can get it from Play Store or App Store, and it does work for iOS or any other operating system. Although I am using it on Android, you can go there and download it. You will see two apps. It's one light version and heavy version. Download the as you wish. I am using light version because it takes less storage on my phone. It's lightweight. So here is the option there. You can connect to UK or US or any other free server complete for free.